Jersey. This for my people, locked down in the cell, won't make it home.
Oh yeah, I got all these up here, we get them home.
This is real life, real money, dedicated to whatever. Yeah. As I wake up, split this vanilla Dutch and break my butt up. It's money on my mind, I'm on my grind, trying to come up. Ain't shit changed, same shit, different day. Just a nigga trying to get paid, fucking minimum wage. It's a new day, new money, old struggle. My people can't get a job, so we gotta hustle. This one goes out to my brother that's on the corner, risk their freedom every minute, just to try to feed their daughters. Caught up in our life. Caught up in our life, we always have good intentions, but we can't live right. I feel your pain, it's all good, don't ever give up. And if you get caught slipping, don't fall, just get up. We live and we learn from our mistakes. Sometimes you gotta do what's good for you, and whatever it takes. As I'm staring up in heaven, I know my pops is looking after me. Why you leave me here? Why this pain and this agony? Yeah. Yeah, 732. Woo. Yeah, check. If I should die tomorrow, I want my son to know I love him. It's coming from the heart, never place anyone above him. My firstborn, my first love, my everything. I always had your back, and that's word is born on everything. You a blessing from God, and I thank the Lord that you made it. My beautiful creation, that's something I'm not replacing. Cause I done lost my father back in 2008. That's when my whole life changed in 2008. Life ain't promised tomorrow, so the day you have to own it. You could be here today and be gone by the morning. That's why I cherish every second, every moment. And I ain't gon' lie, the bullshit, I don't condone it. Most shit, I keep to myself and no one else. I can't make this world a home, so I'ma leave by myself. And I don't trust a soul, cause they grieve for the road. I'm spilling out my heart so you can feel what it's so. Hey yo, the world is yours. Don't ever let nobody tell you different. Hold your head high and keep wishing. This is good intentions. Hey yo, the world is yours. Don't ever let nobody tell you different. Hold your head high and keep wishing. This is good intentions. Yeah. 2-5